at the NASA.
Yeah, for this tour and for the Astro Training Facility, the campus tour, they all require extra reservations, but as of right now, they're all booked out for the day. So your one option for tram tours would be to go to Rocket.
Oh, okay.
Dito tayo sa Rocket Park. Okay.
Ano daw?
Oh, thank you. Oh, ayan. Hindi ko naintindihan yung sinabi niya.
What did he say?
Ano daw?
It's the Rocket Park Park.
So right now, aray, kahaba pala nito. Oh. We're gonna have, oh, ayun oh. NASA tour.
Restrooms will be readily available at Rocket Park. Your exploration of Rocket Park is exciting and supportive of Great Barrel Leaders. Again, my name is Dana.
So how long will this take?
GMP has been a part of human spaceflight operations for over 60 years. The land that JC sits on was previously owned by Rice University when it was sold in 1962 to the government to begin constructing the Manned Spacecraft Center, known today as NASA's Johnson Space Center. 150 white-tailed deer living here, along with other animals like turtles, armadillos, and even an alligator named Nico. Like so many things here at NASA, Nico is an acronym and it stands for Main Engine Cutoff, a term frequently used in space operations. To your left, you will see some of our Texas Longhorns. These magnificent cattle were raised here at JSC as part of the Longhorn Project, a non-profit agricultural education program. These Longhorns are cared for by local students and exhibited across Texas and neighboring states. It also welcomes thousands of students each year to explore agriculture, spaceflight, and other STEM fields. JSC is equally committed to advancing education on Earth while pushing the boundaries of space science.
Rocket Park.
Look at the engine. Oh, look at the engine.
Oo, no? Naku. Mercury Redstone. Ay, may bee. There are bees. Oh, sidekick. Oh, this is the J2 engine. Versatile sidekick. Gee. Ano na, kinakalawang na, no? Kinakalawang na. Oo, pero hindi tayo pumasok sa loob. Oo, close already. Oh, this is the... This is the rocket that came from the moon. Ay, ay, ito yung bumubuga pag taas yung gano'n na yun.
Oo, ito yung may usok, may apoy.
Oo, na may apoy. Dito tayo magpa-picture din, no? Video muna ako.
Ito తీసుకున్నావు
Maglulutang sila. Yun ang kanyang unahan, no?
Sila maiiwan sila doon.
And then, dito tayo. Magpalitrato, sabi ni Stone. SpaceX. Ayan o. Ito yung SpaceX. Si Elon Musk.
Ito yung pinagbago.
I.5 ko nga. Ito. Ayan. This is the one that launched last week. Last week lang.
Friday?
Oo. 16, 17, 15,
Ay, meron siyang nakalagay. 13 po, ayun.
14, 14, Ay, wala pang tao.
First group.
Michael Collins, Edwin yan ay sa history, no? Ang ganda. Who were the first men who landed on the moon? Edwin Aldrin, Michael Collins, Neil Armstrong.
So ito,
Oo. 7 and then 1 na. Wala mang 2 to 6.
nag-jump to 7.
Oo. Ayun o. Ano to?
Kapag sinasalubong na sila.
Ay, ganyan.
Or nagpa-practice. Mas more swimming pool.
Man, you're a really bastard. Are they on the ground at all? He's got about 2 wheels on the ground. It's a big rooster tail out of all 4 wheels. And if he turns, he has the back end brake loose just like on snow. Okay, I have a lot of confidence in Mr. Novi that this is transmission. Okay, just putting down here. By the way, this is really a rock and roll ride, isn't it? That really gives me a green feeling.
Sige. Ayun, you're flooring here. Ito, I see. Yan. Doon. Kaso di naman pala. Hindi tayo magpo-float, manonood lang. Hindi pala tayo lulutang, sila lang. Ini-demo lang. Yan. Ha? Hindi.
Ando na sir eh.
Ha? Saan siya? Ito, meron pa doon. Yun yung tao. And then we go outside.
Did you see it?
Yeah.
Dito.
You said that we go outside. But there's still some to see here.
Oh,
You
let's see
want-
this one.
Yeah.
Para makikita.
Ayan, sige.
I'm touching the stone from
The moon.
the moon,
That's the moon.
brought by Apollo 17.
Me too. I want to touch the moon.
The stone from the moon.
That's the moon. Ay, sila Dico. Oh, tapos huli na yung ano.
So this is the moon.
Oh, ito pala. Itong moon. Ah. So this is the Maka sample of the moon. Ayun, ang moon. Ayun ang earth. That's the earth. You see, there's the mother earth. Then this is the moon. See? That's how they... Oo. Bago. Lalabas na tayo dun sa... Sasakay dun tayo sa eroplano.
Hindi sila lang nga ngayon eh.
Ha?
Tayo sa main.
Oo. Sino na? What is this? Oh, that's the moon. That's the moon.
Right this way, folks. We are closing down for the day.
Oh,
Please
they're
head back to the
closing.
main center.
Okay. Magko-close na raw.
Right this way, folks. We are closing down for the day. Head back to the main center. Get that last photo in.
Where's the way to the... Oh, here, this way. So where are the... Ganda dito, di tayo nag-picture. Yeah.
Ay, sige. Ikot mo tayo kasama tayo.
Teka. Sa bagay nakuha ng... Itong ano eh, ala ako mo. Jeep. Ito, parang nasa buwan.
We're closing down for the day, folks. Last photo.
Bye.